how do you show subtitles in a Capcut on the iPad? And let me show you how it works. So obviously have the Capcut app ready and everything. And at first, create a project, have your files imported and everything. And in order to add these subtitles, tap on the text option below. So don't have any clips selected because different buttons appear then. So don't have it selected and tap on the text right there. And of course, you can tap on the add text and manually adjust it frame by frame, but this is not very practical, and instead you can go for the auto captions button right away. So you can tap on it like this, and it will basically generate the captions automatically, either from the video sound, right? So if you imported the clips with the voice or some spoken text, then it will use that to transcribe it into captions. Or if you have added voiceover in the Capcut application, you can also turn it or generate the captions from that. Also, it would help if you chose that language specifically, so you can make it easier for Capcut to recognize the text. So you can choose English or anything else, and then you will basically click on generate. You can even choose like the different like styles and whatnot, but you then just generate and your Capcut will make the subtitles appear. So that's how it works. One caveat though, you can see that for me it only has like 2 uses a month in the free version, so it kind of depends on their latest update on or how exactly the Capcut works at the moment of you watching, because they kind of change it a lot, right? So yeah, but other than that, this is how it works. If you have any other questions, most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and leave the question in the comments. Perhaps me or someone else will be able to answer it for you. But thanks a lot, and I'll see you later in the future videos.